Hello everyone, today we're introducing the TODO clothes dryer, which operates like a normal tumble dryer, except it would give you only a fraction of the electricity bill. The TODO clothes dryer uses the innovative vortex heating system, which makes it quick to heat, cheaper to run, and less ironing work for you. What to do? Make sure you use plastic hangers so it won't become too hot to hold. Simply place your clothes on the hanger up to 10 kilos. Once loaded, just close the bag and set the timer between 30 to 180 minutes. And the TODO clothes dryer will automatically turn off once the timer is completed. Thank you and congratulations on your TODO clothes dryer purchase.